What's up, everyone? Thanks for tuning in again. So this time of year I like to make conserves because that way I prepare for the winter, and because I tend to not eat through fruit or through vegetables that quickly. Okay, so it's a lot better, it works a lot better to avoid waste, to make conserves out of them. I have a tomato plant that's just about to yield. I planted a few tomatillos that I'm hoping are gonna yield before the end of the year. And I have some strawberries that may also yield as well. So for all of those I will make conserves. I like doing jellies, jams. But today I figured that I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna try pickled jalapeños. I'm gonna show you how to make pickled jalapeños, okay? Right, so step number one, and this is imperative. You have to sanitize your mason jars, no matter what you do. If you don't sanitize them, it's gonna spoil the conserves, no matter if they're already clean. If you have mason jars around, you can recycle them. Get new vacuum lids, okay? So just get a pot and fill it with boiling water, and you're gonna boil them for 10 minutes. Right. And also ensure that your oven is preheated to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, okay? All right, so these are the ingredients. So you need jalapeños. I like to also do carrots, and why not some of the remaining radish just for the hell of it. And cloves of garlic, we're gonna smash them. Salt and pepper, sugar, and vinegar, and also water. So basically what we need to do here is just, we're gonna get this into a pot, we're gonna boil it, and then all of this, including the vinegar. Have I mentioned that I love vinegar? I love how versatile it is. So I shall try the vinegar. How does it taste? Does it taste too bitter? Does it taste too sweet? Or does it taste exactly as it should? Are you a Taoist, or are you a Buddhist, or are you something else? Look up the parable of the four monks, by the way, I love it. But anyway, so I love how versatile it is. You can clean with it, you can cook with it, you can use it as a odor remover, you can use it as a disinfectant, you can do all sorts of stuff with it. I love vinegar. So anyway, in the meantime, so these guys are boiling, so it should be 10 minutes. Then we're gonna remove them, we're gonna put them into the oven so they dry. All right, I got 3 cups of vinegar to 3 cups of water. I place all of our conserves in there. I add 3 spoons of sugar. You know, that's to taste. And 3 spoons of salt and pepper. That's to taste though, so if you want to change the recipe there, you can. So we're gonna wait until this boils. Once it boils, we're gonna transfer to the sanitized jars. Now for this, so to handle this, you need a jar handler. I have one of these, right? So, and that piece over there, so it's a piece to facilitate transfer of materials into the mason jars. So you should get one of these. After the 10 minutes are up, use it to get the jars out of there and place them into the rack. Here we go. So it's showtime. We're gonna transfer this to the jars. Remember, everything has to be completely sanitized and completely hot. Alrighty, so now, using tongs, we're gonna transfer into the mason jars. Once they're full, just fill it up with vinegar. And that's it, simple enough. And of course, so here's the finished product. Looking pretty good. So you will notice with these kinds of lids, so you know, so when you put it on at first, it will be like popping out, but the heat from the actual process eventually will suck up the air inside, so you will eventually end up with this. So this one I kind of open already. I'm gonna eat them, but this one is perfectly sealed in a vacuum right now. So yeah, that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this. Let me know if you yeah, cool.